While I was making research, I found this product that has potential of making you 10,000 US dollars per month. I'm excited to show you what it is, how you're going to be able to create the design for this product, and where you're going to sell these products to start making money. So see you soon on the other side.
Welcome to rock a world where vision comes alive. With design and coordination, we help you thrive. Beautiful events, crafted with care. Join us on the journey, we'll take you there. Subscribe today, don't miss a beat. Book a world events, watch your dreams grow.
By the way, guys, we offer event planning and design services. So you can check out our website, www.rockaworld.com, for more information. The product I found is an evergreen product. So to find it, you're going to come over to Printify, and all you have to do is to sign up with your Gmail, or you can create an account with them. And once you're here, I want you to click on this option of catalog and click on catalog home. Then you're going to type in dog to be specific. And like you can see, there is a variety of options under this dog or pet niche, from the pet feeding mats, pet tank top, dog collar, all these different products, pet bowel. So you can create all these and then you list them on your shop. Okay, so let's choose one particular one. Let's click on the dog collar over here. Like you can see, down here we have the product details. It comes in 4 sizes, 4 barcode options, odor proof and stain resistant. So you just have to give yourself time and go through all of those. Then there is also more details over here that you'd like to look into. For example, other providers outside Europe, all these details. Just give yourself time, go through everything, and make sure this is the product that you want to work on. Once you're ready, go ahead and click on this option that says Start Designing. It's then going to bring you to this page. Now, if you look down here, we have a few details that I want you to pay attention to. Number one, which is the production cost. So you're not the one supposed to pay for this production cost. So this is how print on demand actually works. Now, you as a seller, all you have to do is to create a design that you're going to insert onto this product. Then after doing that, you're going to go ahead and create a store with platforms like Etsy. Then after creating that store, you'll integrate it with Printify. So Printify will be doing everything for you, the printing, shipping, managing inventory, all those things, okay? And once a customer places an order, Printify will take out the production cost, which means your selling price has to be higher than the production cost that Printify set up here. Okay. Now, the next detail is print area size. This is what is going to help us to have the right size for our design. So let's head over to our next tool and I show you how we are going to be generating our beautiful designs. But before we continue, if you're already finding value in this video, I kindly request you to support the channel by liking this video, subscribing to the channel if you haven't already, and ring the notification bell so you don't miss out on content like this. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comment section down below and I'll be able to answer them as soon as I can. Thank you very much and let's proceed. So the next tool we are going to be using is Canva, and we are going to be using its AI. I want you to go ahead and click over here where it says Canva AI, and it's going to open up this workspace over here like you can see. So it says describe your idea and I'll bring it to life. So go ahead and click on this option that says create an image. So there is different styles over here. If you want to explore these and there is a particular one that you want to work with, feel free to do that. If you're not sure, it's okay. Let's move on to our next option, which is aspect ratio. There is different sizes over here, but you're going to choose the one that looks similar to the template we saw on our design. So we have something like this. Now I'm going to go back to Canva and choose this option of 2:1. Even 16:9 would do, but that's really huge. Okay, that's the size of a YouTube video. Okay, so let's go with 2:1. And then now we need to input our prompt. So I've gone ahead and generated for you these beautiful prompts that you can use to come up with designs. So for those of you who would like to try out these prompts, I've linked them in the description down below. Feel free to take advantage of each one of these. Okay, so let's start with the first one, which is the option of pattern. I'm just going to go ahead and highlight everything, right click, copy, then come back to Canva AI, paste it over here, and click on the submit button. Give that time until it's ready. In the meantime, we can go back and collect our second prompt. This one over here. Same steps, highlight, copy, okay. Then you come back to Canva AI, okay, paste it over here, just like this. And I'm going to do the same thing for the other designs. Okay, these are all our designs, and the more options you have, the more buyers tests that you have. Okay, so let's go through this and we choose one specific one to work with. I really like how colorful this is, but let's work with this particular one over here. Okay, so click on that and then you're going to open it in editor. This is what our design looks like inside here. Now the first thing I want you to do is to go ahead and resize this design to the size we saw on Printify. So you're going to click on this option of resize. So this is not a free tool, but Canva has a 30-day free trial. Go ahead and sign up, then you'll be able to access this feature. Once you click on resize, you'll see this option of custom size. Click on that, and then you're going to go ahead and input the width and the height of this design. So go back to Printify and copy the print area size. So the width is 5764. Let's go back to Canva and input that. Okay, 5764. Then the height is, let's go back and we get the height, 229. Okay, so come back and put that over here, 229. Okay, and once you're done, all you have to do is to click on this option that says resize this design. Give that time until it's ready. This is what it looks like. So all you have to do is to drag this and you bring it over here just like this, and all we have to do here is to right click and duplicate this pattern. So we put it over here just like this. So I'm going to do the same thing for the whole design. Okay, so simply just duplicating until you cover everything. I have done the same thing for these other two more designs. And if you want to group everything together, just go ahead and highlight this just like this. Then you can click on this option of group. So let me do the same thing for this as well. Okay. So our designs came out really nice. I love how everything looks so far. Now what we are going to do is to go ahead and download these designs. So you're going to download each individually. Okay, click on the share button over here, and then you're going to click on this option of download. Then when it comes to the pages, go ahead and only select the page that you want to download. Okay, so you can either first select and check all of them, then you choose the particular page that you want to download, just like that. Once you're done, you just have to click on this button that says done, then you click on download. Okay, let's come back to Printify and upload our designs. So come over here and click on the upload option over there. You click on my device and then you find the designs that you just downloaded. So click on it just like that. Give it time until it's ready. Once it's done, you'll see that you know it's processing over here. Okay, now it's ready. So there is different sizes over here. You can click or go through these details over here. Then you can also select the background color, but in this particular case we are just going to leave everything as it is. Then what you can do here is to click on this option of a preview to see what the design looks like on the product. So for the front, this is what it will look like. Then for the back, this is what it looks like. And this is what it looks like on the pad itself. So this turned out really great. If you want to download the mockups, you can click on this option over here of download, and you download each one of them. Okay, once you're done, all you have to do is to click on this option of save product. But before we do that, let's go back to the edit view and we see what other designs look like. So let's repeat the process. Click on my device, and then we come and upload product number 2. Give that time to process. Like you can see, it's done. So let's click on preview and we see what that looks like. Okay, that also looks so cute. What do you guys think? You can let me know in the comment section down below. Now let's go ahead and save this product. Click on save, give that time. It's going to open up a new workspace for us, like you're going to see. So this is the mockup library. You have to go through these and you make sure that the selected items or the selected mockups are exactly what you want to work with. If there is a particular one that you want to get rid of, all you have to do is to go ahead and check it down here. Like you can see, there is different colors. Okay, so once you're done, go ahead and click on the save selection option. Give that time as well until it's ready, and it's going to bring you to this page over here. So down here, you'll be able to add the title of your product. You'll add the product description. So you can use the AI to generate all of these. Like you can see, you can generate AI titles over here, or you can use tools like ChatGPT to come up with product descriptions and titles. Okay, down here there is pricing options, so go through these and you can edit the prices up here. Once you're done, it's time to connect your store before publishing. So click on this option and it's going to show you a variety of stores that you can connect. So like you can see, there is different channels. Like I told you, Etsy, there is Shopify, there is TikTok, so many of these. You just have to give yourself time and go through those. Find the one you want to create your store with, then you're going to integrate it with Printify. That way you'll be able to start selling these products and earn some money. Okay, guys, with all that being said, this brings us to the end of today's video. But if you found value in this video, I kindly request you to support the channel by liking this video, subscribing to the channel if you haven't already, and ring the notification bell so you don't miss out on content like this. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comment section down below and I'll be able to answer them as soon as I can. Thank you very much and see you guys in my next one. Bye.